Hello, in front of me I've got Kingdom Come Deliverance. In this video I'll show you how to enable cheats on Steam version of the game. If you've got Steam version of the game, firstly let's open Steam. Go to your game page. Go to Kingdom Come Deliverance, right mouse button click, Properties, and right here in Start Options, type Pause, Dev Mode, and Confirm. Restart your game, and now you'll be able to play Kingdom Come Deliverance with cheats. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.